Let's look at what will happen if I change the name of a column. Let's say I change this column name to be bike parts. I'm going to save that change and then execute this. Now, when Workbench sees that, Workbench will assume that a column has been dropped and a new column has been added. And that is what will be indicated in the UI in Workbench. So I'm going to get the same error message that my job, Stravello orders, failed to execute successfully. And then that messaging will appear here again. So the reason is the string, part string was deleted. And then that schema change isn't allowed. And so if I jump out of this window, again, go over to my overview tab, I can see that message here as well. So the string, my part string column was deleted and that I haven't allowed that schema change. Again, I see this notification icon here letting me know that something changed. And in this example, we see two different colors. And if we come over here, we can get some information about what those mean. So I can see that the bike parts column was added and that the parts column was removed. And that's how Workbench treats a name change on a column. And obviously, if I want to change that back, I can do that and that will execute successfully. But let's assume in this example that I want my column name to change. So if I want my column name to change and I want that to pass through, all I need to do is unprotect the column, and then I need to run my job again. Again, you'll see I'm going to get that notification letting me know that any changes in columns can break content in Domo, and in this example, I'm okay with that. And so I'm going to save, and I'm going to execute. Great. So now I can see that it finished the dataset upload and that 273 rows were processed. And I'll close that. And because I'm on the Allow Save Schema Change option, I can see that now my bike parts as a new column has come into Workbench successfully and that it was automatically protected.